Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I found this giant beaded wreath from Dollar General. I believe it came with like three of them, so it was a bigger one, like a smaller one, and then an even smaller one. And I took this deep purple paint, and I'm going to paint all of the beads on this. Yes, this was tedious, but I couldn't find a purple in spray paint that I liked, and I really wanted it to have this color because I thought it went well with everything else. So I painted that and got that all painted. Once I had that all painted, I am going to take these picks that I got from Joann's. They're like Halloween picks, and they have a rose, some black leaves, and then the black and white pumpkins. And I'm just going to use pipe cleaners to attach these right to the beaded wreath. So I'm just going to kind of push those pipe cleaners through, wrap them around a few times, and really make sure that these are held tight. I thought these black and white picks from Joann's went perfectly with this deep purple. And for the pipe cleaners, I'm just using black and they're like shiny pipe cleaners, and I got them, I believe, at Dollar Tree. So I'm just using a few of these just to make sure that these picks are held on well. So I'm just kind of sliding them through the beaded wreath and then around the pick itself, just kind of trying to hide them underneath the pick. And again, just tightening them and making sure that these aren't going to go anywhere and fall off. I tried not to use any glue on this so I could hang it on my front door and things wouldn't fall off by using the glue. So again, just kind of smushing that through the back and then just twisting it and getting those nice and secure. Once I had all of the pipe cleaners on and I felt like my picks were secure, I'm just going to cut off the excess of the pipe cleaners. And then as you can see, I kind of left a gap, and I'm just kind of messing with the florals now. And then I made this bow out of some black and white striped fabric, and I ran a pipe cleaner through the center of that, and now I'm just tying that onto the back. Again, just like I did with the picks. And then again, just arranging everything, kind of kept messing with it until I liked the way that it looked. And then again, I'm just going to cut off that excess pipe cleaner in the back. Once I had that all done, I'm going to put some black ribbon for a hanger. But first I have to fight with this twine bow that they had, or hanger, I should say, at the top. And they had that really stuck in there between the beads, so it took me a second to get that all undone. And I ended up having to cut it out. And it was just really stuck in between the beads, and then it didn't help that I put on the florals and kind of tightened the beads around each other, so it probably would have been smarter for me to take this off before I did any of that. And as you can see, I just weaved the black ribbon through, tied it in a knot. I'm going to tie a knot at the top for the hanger. And just a quick knot. You can decide how long you want the hanger to be. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and it was really, really easy to make. And this could be incorporated in any colors or design that you want. It would be really cute painted orange with some fall picks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.